Some proven tips for effective affiliate marketing. Have you ever thought of promoting an affiliate product that you didn't really believe in? This isn't the worst thing you could do, but it sure makes it harder for you to convince others about why they should buy it from you. Increase your chances of earning big by choosing to promote products that are the best fit for you using these tips. When building affiliate links on your blog, don't forget that you need traffic on your site first. If no one is watching your blog, there's no one to click on your affiliate links, no matter how glowing your recommendation or well-placed your advertisements. Build a readership for your blog and then join an affiliate program to take advantage of that traffic. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, only promote products that are relevant to your market. If you advertise products that your customers will not be interested in, you will fail to make any money. Instead, promote quality products that will appeal to your customers and your profits will increase. Affiliates need to make sure that they're receiving full credit for every sale. For this, you want to find out what type of tracking software a company uses and make sure that it's a legitimate, reliable service. If you are not properly tracked, you could end up losing your commissions. And the company is not going to shed a tear over this. Do not ignore charts. We are visual creatures and you will start to recognize trends in a chart before you can find it in the indicators. Learn what the charts are showing you so you can act quickly on changes in the market. Be careful of using too many technical indicators as they can paralyze your willingness to follow the signs you see. When in doubt, just think about what is important or useful to you. Chances are, if you really have a need for a specific product, someone else out there does too. Let your sincerity shine through in your affiliate marketing campaigns and your customers will buy from you because they trust you and believe in you. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.